In the heart of rural India, where agriculture is the backbone of the economy, a revolutionary platform is empowering farmers and transforming their lives. Introducing WAL, a blockchain-based solution that is revolutionizing the way farmers access finance with the help of warehouse receipt financing. For low-income farmers facing distressed sales and limited stock holding capacity, WAL is a ray of hope. Let's take a closer look at how WAL is making a difference. WAL understands the pressing financial needs of farmers. That's why it provides access to warehouse receipt financing. Farmers can now borrow money, get loans against the value of their crops that get stored in the smart warehouse facility, enabling them to meet immediate financial requirements. Whether it's buying seeds, fertilizers, or paying for labor, WAL ensures that farmers have the financial support they need to thrive. In a world plagued by climate uncertainties and limited storage options, WAL comes to the rescue. By providing scientifically managed warehouse, WAL helps farmers with better stock holding capacity, thereby protecting their crops from weather fluctuations and pests. Now, farmers can store their crops for longer periods, preventing distressed sales and reducing wastage. Food wastage is a significant challenge that contributes to environmental degradation. WAL tackles this issue head-on by promoting warehousing activities and thereby reducing food wastage and eliminating carbon emissions. In addition to the improved stock holding capacity, farmers can now sell their crops at the right time via WAL's platform, fetching better prices while minimizing food wastage. WAL opens up a world of opportunities for farmers by connecting them with a vast network of buyers across India. No longer limited to local markets, farmers can now access a wider customer base across India, maximizing their profits. With WAL, farmers can rest assured that their hard-earned produce remains safe until the right time to sell. WAL is a game-changer for farmers in India, empowering them and transforming their lives. By providing access to finance and better stock holding capacity, WAL is revolutionizing the agricultural landscape. Join hands with WAL today and be a part of this transformative journey towards a sustainable and prosperous future.